Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Mixfig Photo here, and today we're going to take a Fujifilm X100s out on another street photography session, and I want to bring you all with me. POV style, so you get to see exactly what I'm looking at while we're taking photos. Hopefully today is a good day, and I feel like it'll be a good day because you all are coming along with me. Now there could have been a million other things that you could have been doing with your time today, but yet you decided to click this video, and for that I'm very thankful. If you do like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so you are notified when I release new content. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Let's get out on the street and see what kind of photos we can come up with.
Pictures of?
Oh, this is street. I'm doing street photography.
Street photography?
Yeah.
So you got us on there, man?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
We gonna make any money off of it?
I wish I could make some money off of it. I just do it for fun.
Well, if you get a good hit on it now, don't forget us.
I got you.
All right, man.
All right. much going on today. A couple of people running and a couple of construction crews, but outside of that, the streets were bare. And that makes for a pretty difficult street photography outing, but we went out, we tried, and I'm glad y'all came along with me. Hopefully next time it'll be better. But put in the comment section below which photo you like best, and in about a week, I will tally it up, and the one with the most votes, I will post next on my Instagram page at McFigPhoto. Again, my Instagram is at McFigPhoto, and I appreciate y'all joining me and watching this video. And also, check out some of the other videos in the corners here that'll really help out the channel. I will see you on the next one.